Hello guys, welcome again. So in my previous video I have said that had there been no border dispute between India and China, both countries would have greatly benefited from each other in the area of economic growth and development. Let's see how India would have benefited. Benefit number 1. China would have accepted India as a permanent member in a reformed and expanded United Nations Security Council (UNSC). At present, all the 4 other permanent member countries, France, Russia, UK and US, supports India's bid for a permanent seat in United Nations Security Council. China is the only permanent member opposing India's bid for a permanent seat, and without China's consent, India will never become a permanent member unless there is a major policy changes in the charter of UNSC. Benefit number 2. China would have accepted India's entry into Nuclear Suppliers Group (NSG). NSG is a group of 48 countries which monitors and controls the export of advanced technologies and nuclear materials to non-member countries. Since India is not a member of NSG because of China's opposition, India is deprived of much needed advanced technologies for nuclear energy exploration. Benefit number 3. China would have designated Masood Azhar as a terrorist. You see, Masood Azhar is the chief of Pakistan-based terrorist organizations Jaish-e-Mohammed, which is responsible for several terrorist attacks in India, including the Pulwama attack of 2019 and the Indian Parliament attack of 2001. For many years, India has been trying to put him under the United Nations sanction list in order to curtail his terrorist activities. But China has blocked the United Nations resolutions to designate Masood Azhar as a terrorist on 4 different occasions. If India and China were friends, all this would have been a completely different story. In my next video, I will share with you guys the benefits China would have had if there was no border dispute between India and China. Thank you guys for your time. I hope you have learned something, and please subscribe so that you won't miss my videos.